Welcome, viewer. Today, we bring you the latest updates and insights from around the world. Russian forces launched a significant drone and missile assault on Ukraine early Monday, targeting various regions across the country. The attack, which began around midnight and continues, appears to be the largest in weeks, focusing primarily on Ukraine's energy infrastructure. According to President Volodymyr Zelensky, Russia employed over 100 missiles and approximately 100 drones in the strikes. Efforts are currently underway nationwide to mitigate the consequences of the Russian strike. Described by Zelensky as one of the largest attacks, multiple groups of Russian drones were reported moving towards eastern, northern, southern, and central regions of Ukraine, followed by cruise and ballistic missiles. Explosions were heard in the capital city Kyiv, and power supply disruptions occurred in certain areas of the city according to officials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.